Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this 3D tuber in NX toy. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a block and make dimension 100 radius. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Next, we need to create the edge blend. Select the 3 and 10mm. We need to select a corner setback. Select this point, corner point, and turn. Okay. Next, these 3 edge corner setback 10mm turn. Okay. Next, we need to use curve, create arc. 3-point arc. Then we set tangent. Here tangent 2. Tangent. Radial 10mm. We need to select here. Line degree to south. Okay, we need complete upright. Hey, sorry. Okay. Okay, next we need to create his arc. 1, 2, 10mm. Upright. 1, 2, 10mm. Upright. Okay. Next, here 10mm. Continue. 10mm. All the corner we need to create the arc. Sorry. Okay, we finished the arc. Next, we need use the survey and use the tuber. 10mm or 10mm. Select all this. select this tangent. Okay. Nice. We hide the block. Next, tuba, single. Change a plane. Okay, nice. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.